Hi, Assalamualaikum to my lecturer and my fellow friends. My name is Nur Izzati binti Idris and my number is 01 DPM20F2012 and my partner names is Kairunisa binti Mokhtar and she's number is 01 DPM20F2016. So, today we want to demonstrate the table ethic of both continental style and American style dining. There are 4 steps used in American style dining. The United States was found on the premise of living life in a unique, independent manner, and the way we eat is not exception. Now I will demonstrating the American style dining. Firstly, the boat with the left hand and the knife in your right hand. Cut the food, the left index finger is pinned on the back of the fork with the handle and in the middle of the fork. The index finger of your right hand placed on the top edge of the knife at the junction between the plane and the hand. Secondly, keeping your fork placed in your hand. Lay the knife at the top on the plane. Make sure the plane edge is facing you. Shift the fork from the left hand to the right, holding your fork like the pencil placed in the bite onto the fork. If you need to boost during the meal, you will need to place your utensil in the resting position on the plane. Indicate your pose with your knife is ready to resting on the plane. Place your fork is the 4 o'clock position on the plane. When you are ready for your plane to be removed for the table, there is the utensil placement signal as well. With your fork in the 4 o'clock position, move your knife down to make it.
Thank you, Izzati, for the explanation about American style. Hello everyone, my name is Kairunisa binti Mokhtar and my metric number is 01 DPM 20F2016. Now, I will going to demonstrate about continental dining style. Continental style dining consists of 2 steps different from the 4 steps in American dining style. The knife and fork has been used in many countries along the world. Continental dining style is simple to learn and easy to use. Fun fact, left-handers often prefer this style as their dominant hand is in use throughout the meal. Okay, next I will tell about step of continental dining style. Step 1, with the fork in your left hand and the knife in your right hand, cut your food. Notice the placement of the left index finger on the back of the fork and notice the right index finger is placed at the junction between the back side of the blade and the handle. Step 2. With your fork in your left hand, bring the food directly to your mouth, time style, and enjoy the food. The knife can be used to push food onto the back of the fork when it's temporarily not in use, cutting or pushing. Hold the knife steady by placing your right wrist on the edge of the table. Next is resting position. When you need to pause during the meal, place your utensil in resting position on the plate to indicate your pause. Place your fork and knife in diagonal position on each side of your plate in an upside down V. This tells your server that you are not finished with the course of meal and then should not remove your plate. Last is finish position. When you have finished the course of meal, place the knife and fork in clock 4 positions. This signal tells the server that your plate may be removed. Lay your fork and knife side by side at the 4 o'clock position on your plate, and finally you conveying to the server that you are finished.